Hello everyone, this is IMTEX 2023 and here we have Mr. Kahan from Insize India. Hello sir, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you
So
doing?
I'm doing great sir. So how was IMTEX 2023 going?
IMTEX 2023 we have remarkable footfall. Many genuine customers we have received. It's been going great.
Okay sir, so what have you brought to us here in IMTEX?
So we basically deal in size measuring instruments. We have instruments ranging from vernier calipers, micrometers to microscopes and PMMs. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us a bit about Insize India?
So Insizze India, we founded Insizze India in 2015 and since then we have been striving for new technology and everything related to measuring and more precision and more accuracy.
That's great sir, and I hope you have like a great year here at IMTEX. So I want to ask you, this being not a manufacturer in India, I want to ask you what are your expectations from the Indian manufacturing industry?
Indian manufacturing industry is the way we are digitalizing everything. Indian market, we used to have a lot of analog instruments earlier. Now we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology in every basic gadgets.
Yeah.
And even with our mobile phones, we can connect a simple vernier to our mobile phone and get the readings, faster and quicker.
So I hope you have a great year at IMTEX 2023.
Yes.
So thank you sir. It was
Yes.
great meeting you. Thank you so much.
It was
for
great
your
meeting
time.
you too. Thank you.